Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm finally gonna do my office tour, my office reveal. It's been a long time. We've been in this house for literally almost a year now, and I have not shown this, but it's because little pieces I just wanted to keep adding, and I still don't feel like I'm finished, but I thought I might as well just go ahead and get this video out there because I am really happy with the way this is turning out so far. So before I give you a close-up of my side, I just want to show you kind of the layout of this office. It's kind of a mess, but my husband and I, we work from home. We're both wedding photographers and videographers, so we have this space to share. So on this side is Tony's, my lovely cameraman. This is his doing. So this TV is here right now just momentarily because when his brother comes over, they play Fortnite. So he plays there and Tony plays there. So that's why that's a mess. But that's not a part of this video. I just wanted to show you guys the flow of this room, okay? Okay, good. So before we get to the good stuff, behind you is my calendar, and I just kind of do that for the month, yada yada. And then here is our beautiful portrait, hand drawn by my cousin, Seven Cranes Calligraphy. She drew this of my dog, and it's just so beautiful. That's him. Okay, guys, look how identical though. Identical. So cute. So we just keep him there.
Oh.
Because it's literally the most beautiful portrait. And then we have this little couch here. When we have people come over, they can sit here while we're working and finishing up things. Or my brother-in-law will sit here while we're working. So yeah, now we can flip around to the good stuff. That's the good stuff. Okay, my favorite part is, get in bed. We have Buddy's bed right here. Come on. He probably won't show you guys. Go. Get back. Okay, there you go.
I've been
Sit.
sleeping all day.
No, we literally just got home. But so we start working around like 10 a.m. and Buddy goes straight in there and literally like sleeps the entire time while we're working.
Ready.
He's not gonna do it now, but it's so cute and literally my favorite thing, so I'll just like reach down and like pet him. But anyways, you guys don't care about that. Okay. We also have his treats here too, his little downstairs treats. And he has a toy bin. Okay, I'm sorry, but look. Cute! And he got that out of his toy bin. Aw, okay, back up here. So we'll start with my built-in shelves. So Tony got these built-in shelves put up for me, and they were actually from Five and Below, so that's really cool. Save some money on built-ins. And this little friend here, just, geometric cube, and I think that's from TJ. And then I liked this mug. I got it from Ross. It says, "I'm not bossy, I'm the boss." So, I like that because I am a little bossy, but it's kind of a fun little thing. And then this plant here is from my cousin. She got it for me. It's a real succulent. As you can tell, if you're a plant person, it's kind of dying. I don't know how I can kill a succulent. I don't know. It's purple. I don't know what's wrong with it. But he kind of goes up there. Sometimes I put him there. I give him some sun. Don't worry, guys. Next up, we'll go down here. This is like, I literally just put this up today. You don't have to zoom in on this. This is just to help me with my branding and just keep my idea of what I need to do for my personal brand. Down here, my cousin Nisa also gave me this cute little pencil thingy. So I don't know where this is from, but this is very beautiful and I like it a lot. I got this a couple years ago from my mom, and I just kind of keep my paper clips, some random miscellaneous things in here. I used to keep SD cards. I know you see this one in here, but I don't usually keep SD cards in here. But it's just kind of like miscellaneous things I put right there. It's really pretty. Here is a coaster. I have these kind of like all around the house. I really like them. They're just like kind of like stones and with a gold trim. I think it's really pretty. So I really like this like vibe when I have my little water here. This candle is needing to be replaced, but I have to have a candle burning when I work, specifically a wood wicker candle, because these, if you don't know, they literally like crackle while it's burning. So I like the crackling because sometimes I can't listen to music because I'm focusing, but I do like some sort of noise. So this is like, I don't know. I like a little bit of sound, so I like these. The throw is great, smells great, and yeah, so I really like the wood wick candles. Over here, I have my little desk calendar, and I don't really use it. It's just more for decoration. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and it's just really cute and motivating, and I feel like it just kind of goes with like the vibe of my, life. So I have that here just to kind of inspire me. Now, moving on to this side, my chair. I've had a few questions about my chair. It's from Wayfair, and Tony got this for me for Christmas. Oh, I thought he was going to get in his bed. Sorry. Okay. I like this chair a lot. The only thing is the wheels fall off a lot. And
only one wheel because it missed a washer.
Okay. And it really stresses me out, honestly. So, but besides that, very cute chair. I like to have this pillow. This is not like match at all, but it does help with my back. So if you ever have back pain, just make sure you are working with a pillow so you kind of have like this like arch. So that's a pro tip, because if you don't, you're just sitting here like, it's just very painful.
Face the chair towards us.
There's the chair. Don't look at the pillow. It doesn't match. It's just because it's like it's like all feathers. It's so comfortable. I can sit here for hours thanks to this pillow. So, okay, over here, my little mouse pad. It has my initials on it. I got it from Vistaprint. Just made it just to like make me feel like cool and on brand and stuff. And then I do have a Mac. I don't know what kind of Mac is this? Does that matter?
I mean, I think it's 2017. So
2017. Love it. It's great. And then here, this was from my boss. I just painted it white. I'm not very good at painting, so don't judge me. But this is important because if you are working at your desk long hours, whether it's a laptop or a desktop, you need to make sure it's lifted because your eyes need to be literally in line with the computer at all times. That's why people are looking down like this. And if you have headaches, you're just in pain all the time, you're dizzy, that's because you're looking down. So that's why this is really important. So when I'm sitting here, I'm literally eye level, or you can be a little bit above. And that's tips from my chiropractor. And it's true because I could not edit long hours because I was looking down or just like not really, I don't know. This is a great setup for me. So just make sure you guys are lifted, or you get a chair that can move up and down. It's just really, really important. So just wanted to say that. Next, my sign. So this is my girl boss sign, and Tony got this from me, and believe it or not, this is a little secret. It's from Five and Below. Crazy, I know, because LED signs are so expensive. I don't know how we snagged this one. So it ended up actually being $10 from Five and Below, but still, like, that's fine, no big deal. So onto this built-in. I don't know where I got this little succulent, but this is also from Five and Below. This sign was from my sister-in-law, and then this was actually from Goodwill, so I thought that was a pretty good find for a Goodwill little find over there. And then on this side, I have my vision board, and as you can see, my vision board really like meshes with my feel and like my vibe, but I think that's really important because you need to see your vision board every single day. I've talked about that so many times, like vision board, you need to see it. So that's why I made it really cute. I spent so much time on it, but it's beautiful. I want it to be displayed. I look at it every single day because it's so pretty and it motivates me. So that's my vision board. And then on this side over here, oh, this is a game changer. So this is really ugly. I usually like tuck it back here, but I wanted to show you guys. This is a Mr. Coffee mug warmer or whatever. So when I have my coffee here, this will keep it heated literally the entire time I'm working. And it's just the best because I feel like I can just like drink it slowly. I can drink it for a few hours. Like I don't have to feel like rushed, like it's gonna be cold. So I love this guy. I'll link it below. So also if there's any links that I have, I will link it below so you guys can check there. And then this little candle smells like a donut. It's a soy candle and it's from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. Over here, I've got my little gold display. I think it's from TJ Maxx. And my planner is, I actually got this one because when I was first kind of like figuring out my feel for like my YouTube colors and website and things like that, I saw this from TJ Maxx and I was like, oh, I love that. I just have to buy it so I can just remind myself of like that feel and like that vibe that I like. So I got that, and that kind of goes here. And then my little personalized notepads, when I was kind of leaning more into dreamer to doer, I got these personalized. So that's that. Now my drawers are not very organized, but it's mainly because I don't really like use the drawers that much because there's just so many. But in this drawer, it's not going to be organized, guys. So this usually goes out here, but when I'm done working, I'll just shove it back in here. But what this is, I made a little organization list for myself for when I'm editing photos, so that's kind of how, I'm a paper person, I don't know. I shared this on my story the other day. I use this medicine thingy for SD cards, and I just kind of get these little small sticky notes and put them in there so I can organize my SD cards for sessions and stuff. I don't know, it's just what works best for me, but I thought that was a pretty cool tip by myself. Whiteout, you know, the good kind, not the little pink kind, this kind, because it dries instantly and it's like super fun. And then random miscellaneous things, sticky notes, you know, this one, random stickers, post-its. I need to give this back to my boss 1 second. You can see the real declutteredness of my life, but literally just stickers, nothing important there. I don't think there's really anything else in these, just like random stuff. And then I can show you guys 2 more things. So this is like the not so exciting, but still like important to my office. This is storage. So it's not the cleanest, but no one's storage is, okay? So over here, on this side, you don't really need to see it, but this is like my printer, our printer, and some random like envelopes and things like that, paper and stuff. Then over here is our filing cabinet, and I'm really proud of myself. I guess I won't show them that because it's like personal, right? But I did so much filing, and it's so organized, and life is great all the way back to 2017, all our taxes, everything. So you're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
What? Okay, over here on this cabinet, I just placed another order for sermon notes, so if you didn't know that, now you do. They're coming in soon, and I'll put those sermon note journals here. I only have one left that I just wanted to keep. I didn't want to sell. And then I have my notepads that I sell. Also, $8, free shipping. Pick it up. It's the daily to-do list. So I keep these here. And then my thank you cards, here they are, and I put them right here. Down below, I've got my poly mailers, my thank you stickers, and my tissue paper. So all that stays there. This is just some random equipment. So that's that. And then the last thing
What's that?
That's your mess.
What is it?
Your mess. That's your mess. That's your mess. Also, I don't touch that because I can barely reach it anyway. So as you can see, that's his thing. And Buddy keeps sneezing. Are you okay, Buddy? All right. Last thing I'm going to show you guys is... You okay, Buddy?
And if you guys didn't know, where did we get this desk?
Oh, my gosh. That's really important. This desk is from Ikea. So it's also... It comes in a million trillion pieces. I didn't do anything to make it, obviously. Tony did. But this is a massive desk. And I think these are the Alex drawers. And then this is just some random...
You can use any. You can use a countertop. You can use whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
And then we bought those for extra supported weight. You just drill them in. So.
Yeah, I don't know how we forgot. I'm glad you said that because I don't know how that was forgotten about. And then the last thing, this is just kind of cool. And I thought this was awesome. Also, I love our big window here. So it's like lots of natural light. Very inspiring. It's always just so nice to work down here in the mornings. But in this right here, we have our office bathroom. And there's no like decorations or anything because we've definitely neglected this a little bit. But I think it's really cool because it feels like when we're down, like when we're working in our office, that we're like in a separate little area. And I think that's cool because, I don't know, it feels like we're like at work. This is our work bathroom, work office. We don't have to get distracted by being upstairs. So this is like a big deal to me. And obviously it's not decorated, but something that's cool is look. It's a rave! Look at that! That's cool! Nice? Awesome. Okay, and then in this... Aww. Hi. Okay, and then over here... Oh, just kidding. This is the basement. So that's another video, guys. This is going to be a whole nother video, and I'll have that out for you guys soon. So this is the basement, and our basement is so cool. Okay, there's really not much to it, but I love it. I love it. If you've seen on my story, our basement is awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I'm seriously saying right now because I checked my analytics, guys, and 80% of you just watch the videos and you don't subscribe. So I'm calling you out. Make sure you are pressing the red button and subscribing. And if you don't have a Google account, make one because that way you're notified when I make new videos. And also leave a comment below and let me know your favorite part of the office or any of your office organization tips because I need it, because the more we start working down here, the more we go, I'm just gonna need some organization. So make sure you leave that below, and also follow me on Instagram at SidKel because we have a lot of fun on there, and basically I am just updating things on my life all day, every day. So why'd you look out the window?
I just see a shadow. I was just looking.
I thought Aaron was standing out there. That's why I got paranoid. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. What? Is he out there?
Some grass.
No.
Literally just grass. I just wanted to end it with that.
No, you're not ending. Stop, you're scaring me. What?